Lisa here, coming on today with hashtag two crafters, one design, as well as Saturday morning makes. This is our share for hashtag two crafters, one design. We were using Valentine's Day theme. So hopefully you've seen our post from last Saturday and you have already created something for Valentine's Day and just want to enter into our challenge, as well as hashtag Sat More Makes. So anyways, let me show you what I used to create this card. I am using this puzzle die, and I got it from La La Land Crafts, and I do believe it's still on clearance, I think. So you could go over there to La La Land Crafts and pick up yours. And then from My Creative Time, I am using You Complete Me. Now this is an old set, and it's a puzzle set. Goes with her puzzle pieces or puzzle stampers, something that she had. I am using You Complete Me. And then also from My Creative Time, I am using the My Creative Time tall die layers, as well as the My Creative Time tall frame dies. And I'm using, I want to say, the third one down, so it's not as big as the normal slimline. And then these images I do not have. I got those from Gloria, so she stamped out quite a few images for me from Peachy Keen Stamps that I did not have, and I took the time to color them up. So thank you so much, Gloria, because these images are just too cute. Would love to have a couple more. Hint, hint. But anyways, let me show you this card a little bit more close. It is just too adorable. I did add some Wink Stella on top, and I did not save the markers that I used to color. Sorry about that. But anyways, I wanted this to be red, black, and white, perfect colors for Valentine's Day. And I just went ahead and put that together, popped it down on that My Creative Time tall layers dies and frame dies, and use that, and there goes the inside. Just turned out super cute, perfect for Valentine's Day. I might give that to my husband. All right, so if you have the time, make sure you enter into these hashtags so that we can see what you're creating. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.